let's unbox this hard case for the Meta Quest 3. Now, this is from a company called Pulchra, and this case is supposed to be scratch-proof, waterproof, and anti-impact. It should also be able to house all sorts of head straps such as the Bobo VR or the Kiwi designs or whatever head strap that you have, which is one of the reasons why I got this in the first place. But more so, what sold me on this was the fact that it has organizers built into the case itself. So, you know, for the controllers, it has a designated space where you could put the controllers. So when you're carrying the case, they're not, you know, just moving around and banging into each other, or that risk of breaking is sort of taken away from there. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is how it came, very minimalistic in terms of packaging. Just some plastic. So, okay. Alright, so yeah, it has a very nice feel to it, like a fabric, which is supposed to be waterproof and very easy to clean. You can wipe off any liquid that falls onto here, so that shouldn't be too much of a problem. A very elongated design with this strap, so you can hold it or carry it if that's how you want to. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. The zippers open up very easy, so that's always a plus. You don't want zippers that kind of hang in there. Right, so this is what I was talking about. We don't need these. Okay, so this is where the head of your Quest 3 goes. A strap to fasten it in further, another strap I think for the controllers, and this is where the controllers go, right over here. And I think the back of whatever strap that you're using goes here. It can also hold Bobo VR, any sort of halo strap that you have, or a clamshell design as well. So you know, a plus point there. It's very very versatile in terms of what it can hold. The top over here has a pocket at the back and a zipper pocket here with I think an instruction manual. Shows you how you can place the controllers. I think these are the controllers for the Quest 2. This can house Quest 2 or 3, I think 3S as well. That shouldn't be a problem. We don't really need that. So yeah, let me go ahead and get my Quest 3, and I'll show you how I put it in here. So here's my Meta Quest 3 with my clamshell design strap and headband, I guess, to hold it secure even further. I ended up going with the battery variant of the one that I unboxed previously on my channel. Now the good thing about it is that, you know, of course, it could charge your Quest while you play, so you don't have to always take it off to charge. And also you can just, if you think the weight is sort of you know, bugging you, or it's just not comfortable, you can always take the battery out, which is what I like about it so much. You just press it once and the battery is on. That's how the charging begins. Or you press it twice and the charging will eventually stop. Yes, right here. And I think this is a 6500 milliampere battery. Sorry, 7500 milliamperes, even better. What do you want? So yeah, this is the Quest here. Let me make space. I don't have much space here. Okay, so here is the case. Let's fix the controllers in first, and then we'll take care of the headset itself. I think this is how it goes. Oh, wait, I'm not sure. Am I doing it wrong? Okay, so this is how it goes. The reason why I was getting confused was because it wasn't, you know, the best, most secure fit. It just sort of sits in here, in the ridges here, and I think these are for the loops that the Quest 2 controller has. But the good thing is that you can fasten this thing here, and they're not going anywhere. So that's your peace of mind, I guess. Time for the Quest itself. Wait, I think I have to take it back. Okay. That is a good fit. That is a very good fit, I must say. Look at that. It sits just perfectly, and I think it closes a little tighter of a fit than I would be comfortable with, but it does work. Let me just put the battery as well. I think there's a space over here. If you want to put your battery here, you can do that, or just throw it in here. That works as well. Let me just put the battery here for now. Let me see if it closes. It's gonna be a little tight of a fit. I think I don't want to break it. That's one of the complaints I heard. So you can fasten this here as well, so nothing's going anywhere. I just want it to close nicely. Yeah, the battery's sort of poking in there. So let me just throw the battery in here as well. You want to make sure the battery's all the way at the front so it's not messing up with your headset. Yeah, that's much better. And there you go. You could just close it. The space sort of worked out, I guess. And yeah, it's very hard. Okay. So this is hollow, and it's just a perfect fit for that clamshell design head strap. I'm not really too sure if it's gonna work with Bobo VR or any sort of Halo strap because of how big they are, but this is perfect for a clamshell design head strap. I think I'm very comfortable with it, and I like it. So here's my review for the Pulchra large carrying case for the Meta Quest 3 and 2, I guess, and 3S. If you guys thought this was helpful in any way, do leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a lot. Thank you so much.